Hello guys, welcome. How are you doing today? Like I say, the market is pretty bad, but just don't give up. Like I say, we had news on the Friday evening, from Trump when the market was closed. So he put like some fear in the market, low liquidity during the weekend, winter mute event during the weekend as well. So almost $2 billion in liquidations, ups and down, whatever, mostly like downs, but they chase like all the high leveraging traders. So that's why it put like a lot of fear in the market. And we had as well, I think, the feature just opened it, but we were anticipated already, and then we dipped even lower, So um, usually like February should be a good month, and now we just wait. But yes, as a scale where how bad this one is, very bad. Like I say, in many years, uh, I think it's among one of them that is the biggest one that I've seen. In terms of altcoins, meme coins, yeah, some of them dropped like 90%. Even we are like in a bull run in a certain way. So that's why just a friendly advice: just don't look your portfolio right now. It's gonna be alright. Just a matter of time. February it should be a good month. We know that January usually, as well, like big institutions or big investors tend to reshuffle their portfolio as well. So is that maybe impacting a little bit? We have as well like the Chinese New Year as well. Like sometimes we can cause a bit of dump. We had like the kind of a top signal as well from Trump, presidentials. Then he had like the great amazing idea to drop meme coins Trump that sucked out all the liquidity from pretty much like all altcoins. So that suffer affected a lot. And then Melania coins, his wife, appear, them even more. And now this one crashed like pretty bad. So you can see the money was just like money rotated from investor or just like traders, from coins to another coins. I'm pretty sure we didn't have like as much as new fresh money coming in. And as well, like I say, we have as well the macroeconomic, where it's kind of external event that put pressure on the market, uncertainty, and market doesn't like uncertainties, sorry. So yes, it's, I think that's the long story short. After, we can never know at 100% because sometimes things that are done by closed doors. So but it's kind of it could be a potential reason why we've seen all of that. So yeah, it's pretty bad. So that's why I say I wanted to do this little live stream just to say, guys, don't give up. We are still here. Let me know. Are you thriving? Are you surviving? Are you in a Bitcoin? Are you on stable coins? Are you in a meme coins? Do you still hold bags with convictions? I will be curious to know. It's always cool to know. Um, and you can see we have just gonna refresh quickly for you. It's a little bit. So yeah, I post as well some content. Same as usual on my page. You can find some news, some alpha. We got like a Bitcoin at 95. So overall, look, is that bad? No, for Bitcoin, but it's like 3%, 4% down, in the past 24 hours. Usually, sometimes as well, Mondays tend to be uh, bearish, or not bearish, but like sometimes Mondays and Thursdays sometimes are not the best one for trade. We have Ethereum at like 2,600 minus 14%. That's where we start to see, and the shit hits the fan. XRP minus 12, 9, Doge like 16, Cardano like almost 20%. So yeah, I just map up for you like quickly, but you get the points. big altcoins been hit very hard, and Bitcoins kind of decorrelated itself from altcoins. So that's the thing, that's where we feel it's even more painful. And all the top projects, you have even Solana, you got Polkadot, you got like all the reputable projects, even them like suffer a lot. And I've been noticing, like, even for the past few weeks, no matter if you bring like good news, amazing innovations, um, on a bull run, like, I don't know, I feel like this bull run is a bit strange, maybe a lot of PTSD from the past one, that's why. But this one hit a big difference. Is that because maybe now more institutions, more regulations coming in, that's why we see like all this change. But and yeah, just in quote, big manipulation in the market. That's why you see this is not normal. It's not normal. This is big capitulations on rocket ship. Sometime I was asking myself, say, when was the last time that I see that bad? You can refer it as, I would almost refer it as same than when we had like the COVID heated, and when as well, for example, when Bitcoin was dropping down from I think it was like 10,000 or 15,000, no, yeah, around like 10,000, $12,000, all the way down to $3,000. We were on bear market, on the way to the bull run. But the sentiment that I'm talking about, the sentiment, or like when the COVID hit, but I think it was this one when like it was around like 3,000, then he went on his move. But the sentiment is very crap, and like I say, like, from Bitcoins we went straight to the very high risk meme coins, Degens stuff, and then two coins, Trump and Melania, sucked out all the liquidity, but like not by just a few percent, like we had like a massive, like a solid 30%, but 30% on coins where they market cap are just numerated in millions, like maybe 50 millions, 100 millions, half bill, the $1 billion max. Look, I think, which one? I think it's Popcat. I check. Just give me a sec. On a week, in a month. That's what I'm talking about, guys. In a month, minus 75%. Not 7% or 5. 75%. That's why it's painful, and that's why, like, you see a lot of people are hurt on that. And plus the combo of all the trade war that's happening right now, that's I think is not helping at all. And we have manipulation in the market when markets are closed, fear and uncertainty, and they try to hunting down people by liquidated them heavily. $2 billion liquidated from counted from Friday to Monday, when a late trader been catched by the markets opened from the future, and then like the market itself. So yes, that's the big picture. So yeah, time will tell. Is that the end? No, not at all. It's not the end. We're gonna recover. Just be kind with yourself. That's the only thing. And friendly advice, just on those days, just don't look your portfolio. It's gonna be, I think it's gonna be a bit tough. But yeah, you can see, and a lot of things, from the macroeconomic that you cannot control, right? So no matter if you place, everyone's been sometimes being catched. It can be tough, but hey, look, it's behind us, and we need to move forward. And that's why I wanted to do this video, just to kind of to say, guys, never give up. We are here. We are still here. If you're surviving, be proud of yourself. It's always funny when everything is good, everyone is here. and when the market it's bad, like nobody's here. We are here. We are still here, hustling. Difficult to make those videos sometimes because, like I say, the sentiment is not that great. We don't have this euphoria or feeling great, but I think it's part of the of being part of a community where you just keep moving forward every day. Just go outside, go touch some grass, go to the gym or something like this. Um, and yeah, all the best, but definitely it's very strange, but yeah, you see. And you see, look, Asian crypto stock plunge has begun drop on the 3-week lows, so yeah, we were like 108k and we are now 85. It's gonna catch up quick, those type of situation and event is gonna be V-shaped recovery if we found the solutions. But when I say solution, it's about like this big issue that happening right now, the mess with Canada, with US, with the tariff that put uncertainty with the other market, with China. We had as well like the AI, where good news that they try to expand, US try to expanding their market and innovation with $500 billion investment in AI and artificial intelligence, AI basically. And the next day kind of attacked by China, where they dropped a AI that cost, I think they built it like for $6 million, and OpenAI they required, I think, billions of dollars, $100 billion, find like a crazy amount of. So this didn't help at all. When we had this AI issue, we had all the AI coins in the crypto industry are being targeted and fear in the market just right after the Trump. So you see, it's like a goddamn snowball effect. That bring one things, bring another things, and it's never ended. So now we need just to stabilize. We need to find a good momentum, and it's gonna reverse. So that's pretty much it. For these things. But yes, pretty painful. And but yeah, after you see, like, all season is gonna be insane. It's true. We're going to have, I'm pretty sure, like more crypto ETFs. That's gonna be massive. I'm sure, like meme coins this cycles is going to be huge. Even if we had pretty hard, it's gonna go back up. Not FA, not financial advisor. It's my opinion. Just like the Mac. It will be problematic if it would be just like just a few coins affected, but this is like the whole market. So let's tell you a story. And when something bad happen, how long does it take us to recover it? And the quickest or the longest going to tell you a certain story that we need to follow or adapt or die, basically. So that's why, just, if you are in spot, it's okay. If you are leveraging, just carefully, because volatility is very huge. So if you know what you're doing, oh good. But if you don't know, that's another story. So yeah, pretty. I think that summarize a bit what's going on. Let me know if you agree. Like I say, I do live streams along the way. I try to do every day, but I think today was a good one just to bring a bit of support to the community. We went there before. It's not gonna be the last one, and so we just need to be patient. And when the market reversed, usually the market is always one step forward and one step ahead. So if you start to see the market reacting positively and start to recovering like on the V shape, without the news coming like anytime, you know, sometimes few hours or sometimes on the way, on the spot, or you know, something behind closed doors happening, and you have like insiders position themselves just to get ready. So I think that's the best approach to do right now. And yes, you know, and you can see overall all the video on YouTube's, even myself, like I try to don't look too much because a lot of negativity, a lot of fear. But hey, you know, it's part, you know, no pain, no gains, huh? Remember, people gonna say is going to tell you one day, oh, you are lucky, or you were so lucky. No, 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 no. When thing hit the hit the fan, and a few things drop like 90%, where they have been. So that's the thing. And when then you're thriving, you know, because you're surviving, you never give up, you keep pushing, you keep investing in yourself, you keep learning, you try to do your best, you know. Like I say, it's all about like probability, and sometimes you can only control the present moment. You cannot tell the future, and you cannot change what's happening in the past. Only thing that you can control is the present, and the present going to have an effect on your future. So that's why, like I say, just keep grinding, and